to Volume Shampoo. A daily shampoo that provides a deeper cleanse on the first lather. Our volumizing shampoo removes buildup, refreshes the scalp, plumps strands for more volume and body, and helps to remineralize strands of hair for more fortified strands that resist shedding and breakage. Volume Shampoo is sulfate, phthalate, gluten, sodium-chloride, and paraben-free. Volume Shampoo is also vegan. Featured ingredients include quinoa protein, plumps each strand to maximum fullness. Bentonite clay, plumps, strengthens and protects hair. For best results: wet hair, and lather from roots to ends. Rinse well.